Hello guys, welcome to Show Me Our Picture. So in today's video what I'll be showing you is very massive: how to make 200k monthly from from plastic NIN. So you get it? So I'll be walking you through different processes. I'll be showing you a particular website that will enables you to be able to be generating more than 200k monthly with plastic NIN. So for many of you, I see maybe what is plastic NIN is improved premium soft copy NIN that you can take to a computer center that's into plastic additive printing, and they will print it for is have more of like a same size or like a voter's card, so as shown on the screen. So I will walk you through the step by step. I will show you a particular website. When you want to get normally that very soft copy, NIN has an app for it, but it will require that you will pay certain amount. I think it's 2,000 or 1,500 to download it before you take it to a business center. I think the business center price is very based on your location and but I will be showing you a particular website whereby you can get that same soft copy just for as little as 400 naira only, and I will show you how to use it to make like 200k monthly. So stay with me on this video as I walk you through. But before then, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification button so you will always be among the first to receive a notification alert whenever I drop a new video on this channel. So let's go. So what I will do, I will head up to show you that very particular website that will enable you to be able to print any kind of soft copy plastic NIN. What the only thing you need for anybody to do that is just to get the NIN number, and with that you will be able to get it for the person, and you turn it to a business. I charge it. For me, I charge people for it. I charge like 3,000, sometimes 2,500 based on. But imagine you charge it 3,000 for something you spend 400 and I do it for like 10 people daily, and times it by 30 days, you make more than 200k already. So I wish, like I told you, I will show you the website. So first, let's go to the website. The website is idfinder.ng. So I will click on it to load up. Just bear as a network is have a little bit low speed, but the website is loading up, so we just have to bear with it. So I don't know why it's not. Okay, I think I should refresh the website now. It's a little bit slow. So here is the website. ID Finder. You can easily verify your identity. Welcome to NI verification, BVN search, all of that. This website have many functions. So what you will do is so simple. As a newcomer here, you click on this 3 hamburger sign at the right side. The 3 hamburger sign on the top right side, and you can say about services, but you just click on get started, and it will open up a sign up page. So if you have not signed up, you will click on create account. You provide the necessary detail that are required for the sign up in order for you to sign up on the website. So I will drop my referral link on the description of this video. Go there, click on it in order for it to take you to the website so that you will log in, so that you will create your account, update it, and you start using it. So for me, this is the website there. I will log in this website to show you. So yes, for me, I think I still have my balance here is 315 naira. So I will come to here. You can fund your wallet. But wallet account number. This is your wallet account. I will drop. That is it. So in funding your wallet, let me say something in regard to funding your wallet. I have to say something so that you not make mistake that I've made while starting out using this website. In order for you to avoid mistake that I make while I was starting out using this website, when you want to fund your wallet, I would recommend always use pay using automatic bank transfer. Several times I've make use of pay manually, but the amount did not reflect. So I stick with it. When you click on pay use it automatically, there are different bank details that you see there. I normally use the Sterling bank account. There is always work for me. Immediately you make your transfer, come back to this website, you will see the equivalent amount. So on the NIN, this is what you do. NIN verification. You click on this NIN verification tool. So the search is 180 naira. So you put in you click on NIN, then you put in the NIN number. When you put in the NIN number, so let me just practice it for you. I will put my home NIN number, and it will bring out the details. So I will now choose the kind of card that I want to create. So stay tuned. Alright, so for one user, I've inputted my NIN number. So I'll click on submit, and it will begin to load, and it will bring the details of this very particular NIN number that are just you could see now successful. So it's a NIN digital ID. Don't click on that one. What you do is this very one, NIN premium. So you download it. When you download it, you'll be able to view it. So I will just do some download there so that you get the full practical step-by-step details of everything that is going on. Now the first money we spent is 180, and now what are we spending again? 100 naira. 180 plus 100 naira is just 280. So with 280 you can get a soft copy of the digital plastic ID card. Then you take it to the computer center where they will print it. Now most people they don't know how to do this. So what you do, you advertise this, tell people you do this, you collect your 3,000. I do this always. Then you come here, send the soft copy there. They find a way to go print it at the computer center that is close to that is offering plastic and printing. So I would click on download now. You see, it's downloading because I've downloaded before. It's asking me, say yes, I download again. So after downloading, is opening it now so that you see the sample of what I'm actually talking about. My PDF, Microsoft PDF reader is loading the NIN that I've just downloaded. So let's wait patiently as the file open. It's taking me a little bit of time, but just be exercise patient. So right there, you will see my face there. You see, look at it. That is my NIN number, my names, everything on in my face there. So that is how to do it. So this is the document you send to your client, and it will take you to computer center to print it, and we get it as a plastic ID card in form of it's the same size with voter's card or driver's license. So this is how actually to go about this whole thing. This is actually how to go about it. So one more thing, after everything you have to confirm, because sometimes maybe the person might give you the NIN number and you mistype it, and somebody else. You have to confirm all these details. The first name is there, second name, middle name, local government. I don't want to show that because it's prohibited on YouTube. Don't have to show all details of those things. So that is how to go about it. So with this, you can be making more than 200k monthly selling this service to different people, and this service is of high demand in the society in Nigeria as I speak, as I speak right now. So I do it for people, and it's amazing stream of income. So like I always say, subscribe to this channel, turn on this notification button so that you will always be the first to get notification alert of each new video I will upload on this channel. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.